Welcome to Chiang Rai. This is my first time here and we're going to explore. We're going to go to the biggest waterfall and it's a hike and it's going to be amazing. So follow us on the journey. This is Eddie K from Underworld Travels. It's time! Okay, so this is the standard. Real bad man food. Very good. We eat this, fill up our energy, and then we go. This is amazing. We're in a jungle road in the mountains, and we don't even know. This is fucking amazing, man. This is a must-do trip. You need to go to Kasakor.
Yeah, Kasakor Waterfall.
Waterfall. It's a long drive from Chiang Mai, but it's worth it. So how long do we have left?
Like 1 minute to the track starts.
1 minute, and then we have to go hiking. It's fucking amazing. Fucking amazing, mate. Okay, so here is the entrance. And when you come here, you have to pull your scooter to the side, park it, and then you have to walk 1,400 meters. 1.4 kilometers. So the hike begins. This is amazing. This is life, guys. This is what I live for. Shout out to the Swedish passport. And here is off-road from here. Kunkorn Waterfall, Nature Trail, National Park of Thailand. Amazing.
Vi går den först, sen kan man gå den tillbaka. Vi ser den röda i vägen.
Wow. Oh my God. This is amazing. Klart grabben ska in i djungeln. This one is a little bit sketchy, mate. Wow. Now we're in the jungle, mate. Where's an Aussie when you need one? Är det höger eller vänster? Ja. This is incredible. If you're from a Western society and you have a passport and you don't experience this in your life, don't talk to me when you see me. 800 meters to go. 50 meters until resting area. Ja. Ja, klart grabben är djungel. Kallar mig Tarzan. Och här är Jane. The genius ficus. I think they're talking about him. The genius ficus. Very good.
And he's gassing out. And he says he's a boxing champion.
Man, just hear his breathing.
Yeah. Mindset. Always mindset.
I mean, wow. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow. It was a nice hike. 1,400 meters uphill. But it's all worth it. When you see this, it's all worth it. What a planet we live on, guys. We tend to forget that in the West sometimes because we're too focused on career, materialism, but it's amazing.
I feed the spirit. Cool Chiang Rai water splashing on the mountain rock so tall. Life just sweeter sitting by the waterfall. No worry inside me,
This is
no
something else.
worry around
Why
me.
is this guy always in my fucking pictures?
Give thanks for the life we live in. Give thanks for the joy it giving. Me see the green hills.
He's gigantic. Incredible. Let's go!
Kommer du?
Yeah, yeah. Let's go inside. It's a storm here. Fucking amazing. You like it, Holland?
Yeah, refreshing.
Amazing.
Can I get Eddie to drive a scooter here?
Yes, and that is the most crazy part. I haven't driven a scooter in Thailand, never, but I decided to start doing it because in Chiang Rai the traffic is not so bad, and it was all worth it. This is incredible.
But you could hear him yesterday when I wanted to go here. He was nagging all the time about it.
Oh, it was too late.
No.
Good life in Thailand. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. You fat piece of shit. Go to the fucking gym, mate. Are you pregnant or something? Oh my God. So this was absolutely the best thing about Chiang Rai. I mean, the trip here, take a scooter, the roads you see, the local villages, driving through the jungle, walking through the jungle. This is so amazing, man. I'm so happy I did this. I'm so happy I did it. Thanks to my friend. It was actually his idea. So, and I drove my first scooter in Thailand. I'm not a very good driver when it comes to vehicles, but I had to do it. I had to do it. You must come here if you come to Chiang Rai. Kosa Cool Waterfalls. Amazing. Ska vi lämna oss här för alltid?
Nyckel.
En nyckel. Akta så inte försöker kasta ner dem. Trying to kill the young beautiful ladies. Easy. There we have one. There we have a spot free. Momo Nico, lazy. What, 79? No. Now we are forever in the jungle. Eddie K was here. So when I come back, maybe in a couple of years.
We chop down the bamboo.
No. Var nöjd med allt som livet ger och allting kring dig ser. Eppa! It's my life and it's now or never. I'm fucking lady boys forever.
What are you?
I'm Lady Boy. Palm.
You are not a lady boy, are you?
I'm Lady Boy.
Really?
Yes.
We are back. Now, I need an iced coffee, bro. Swaddy Cup.
สนุกไหม
Very good. Amazing. Absolutely life-altering hike to the waterfalls. You have to do it. Don't be lazy. Don't sit watch Netflix at home. Do something with your life, bro. Okay, so we stopped on the road here at Song Kyu Tea House. And look at this, man. We're gonna take an iced coffee, man, and enjoy this scenery. So beautiful. So if you go to the waterfalls, just a bit down the road on the way back, stop at Songkyu. They have everything here. How can you not be happy in this country? This country is impossible not to be happy. The beauty of the scenery and greenery, mate. Something else.
Download 2DMAT today, the best chat application in the world with over 150 features. WhatsApp is the past, 2DMAT is the future. Download it now today in app stores. Let's go.